Welcome and thank you for watching. My name is Hervé and today I will be reviewing one of the recent pickups that I made, which I think is very essential for the time we're going through right now. Let's go. The Adidas YEEZY slide. You can see Adidas really went all out with the box. They give us the YEEZY box, which is pretty dope. See right here it says YEEZY slide made by Adidas. On this side we have the sizing and the colorway, and this is the resin colorway. At the bottom of the box we have the Adidas sign right here. So I know what you're gonna say. What possessed me to buy these slides? YouTube. I watched a couple of videos. By a couple I mean at least 40 videos, man. Like, I really had to do my homework to see if these were worth the purchase.
Okay.
Actually, when it first released on December the 6th, I think, 2019, I wasn't feeling them at all. I thought they were ugly. But honestly, with 55 bucks, even if I didn't like them, still a W to me. They're still YEEZY, they're still gonna resell. And based on the numbers I've seen on StockX and GOAT, they're reselling for a little bit, so you still can get your money worth. I thought this was very essential for the time we're going through right now, especially with the quarantine and all. You need something you're gonna wear in the house that's very comfortable, and these are it, in my opinion. And I think Adidas really made a good marketing strategy based on it. So kudos to Adidas and shout out to Kanye West. Become a billionaire finally, you know what I mean? Send me some bread, bro.
What?
So this is a quick review on it. I know there's a couple of videos on YouTube already about the slides. So we're gonna get right into the shoe. I'm gonna do it on foot, and I'm also gonna give you guys a quick tip on sizing. So you might want to stick to the end of the video. All right. Perfect, perfect. Back. So as you can see, the slide is very minimal, honestly. We just have this little branding right here on the inside. I don't know if you can see that. It's the Adidas branding. And we have YEEZY, made in China, US 11 sizing right here. So as you can see, this is just a regular slide. Like, the only thing about these is the comfortability. Well, also the YEEZY branding. And there's a minimal design on here. As you can see, the back right here. And the bottom part. So that's pretty much it as a design aspect. But these are YEEZYs. They're gonna sell out regardless. So I was on the YEEZY website. I was on YEEZY supply, Adidas.com. I was up mad early. I was up at 7 a.m. waiting on these to drop. YEEZY supplies were supposed to drop, I think, at 9 a.m. and then Adidas at 10 a.m. So I'm glad I was able to cop them because of $55. This is one of the best purchases I made recently. So for the sizing, I would say I'm a size 10 and a half in certain shoes. I went with a size 11, and I have white feet, so these fit perfectly. If I went with a size 10, it would have been a little too snug to me. So I think you should go a size up. They don't do half the sizes. If they had a size 10 and a half, I definitely would have went with that. But they only do 4 sizes, so I say go with a size 11. You're not gonna regret it. So this was a quick review on the Adidas YEEZY slide in the resin colorway. So if you're still trying to get these slides, you can get them on StockX and GOAT. I think they're going for a little bit more on StockX. So I mean, if you want to pay for that, that's cool too. I mean, they're worth the price. I mean, to be honest, they're very comfortable. And right now, we're not doing anything, so you might as well be comfortable in your house. If you like this video, make sure to like, subscribe, comment below, follow me on all the social, and it will all be down below. So thank you for watching, See y'all in the next video.